Today, we're making delicious broiled Mediterranean salmon with herbed couscous. Welcome to Mixed Plates. Let's start by cutting 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. And while you're watching, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Now, let's chop 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme. We'll need half a cup of yellow bell pepper, finely diced. You can just cut the sides of the pepper to avoid having to remove the seeds. Slice the pepper into strips, about ½ inch thick. Now, dice the strips into small cubes. Let's cut the zucchini. Cut into thin slices. Hey, have you hit the like button and subscribe yet? Cut 1½ pounds of fresh salmon in half. Now, cut again so that we have 4 6-ounce fillets. Rub the surface of the fish with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Sprinkle salt generously. Let's do the same thing with black pepper. You can just sprinkle to taste. Rub the salt and pepper really well so that the mixture covers all slices. Place all 4 slices on a broiler pan, about 1 inch apart. Broil 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until the fish is cooked through, and let's work on our couscous. We'll need 1½ cup of vegetable broth. Now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. One tablespoon of fresh thyme. And 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. Sprinkle black pepper to taste. And add 1 dry bay leaf. Mix all well and bring to a boil. ingredients very well? Cover and remove from the heat. Add half a cup of finely diced tomatoes, half a cup of yellow bell pepper, mix well. Remove the bay leaf. And set aside. Let's finish by making the zucchini. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add the slices of zucchini to the skillet. We're going to cook them until the slices are just tender and slightly golden. About 5 to 8 minutes. Now all we have to do is set the plate. First the couscous. Then the zucchini. And finally, the delicious salmon. And there you go. This is how you make grilled salmon on herb couscous right at home. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.